In this video, we introduce a novel training and testing system where the trainee can complete manual vascular reconstruction in vitro individually.
Manual vascular reconstruction training is essential for young surgeons. In this study, we introduce a novel training and testing system where the trainee can complete manual vascular reconstruction in vitro individually using magnetic echoing technique, and the quality of reconstruction can be tested on it.
This is vascular reconstruction training machine, consisting two parts, control panel and the operating floor. Add 0.9% saline into machine before we start training. These are right and left iliac veins harvested from Bama pigs. Use tissue scissors to trim the ends of the veins and clear the excess tissues on the wall of the veins to make the veins smooth. These are magnetic vascular tractor, magnetic suture tractor, and magnetic suture puller. Tie the two veins on the water inlet and water outlet of training machine with 2 silk sutures. In this video, we adopt the method of two-point vascular anastomosis. Adjust the length of water outlet of the training machine and ensure free tension of the end.